Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. And as you can see from my face that I really look very tired, and I was not about to film any video today. I was just going to do a facial, but then I thought of filming it as a video and putting it in front of you in case this facial might help you to choose the correct products for your skin. By the way, my skin type is dry. Now just keep on watching. Now today I am going to use this facial kit. This is from Oriflame and this is their tropical fruit facial kit. This facial kit is meant for normal to dry skin type people. The shelf life of this kit is of 3 years. I have bought it a long time back, still too I am using it, and the price of this is rupees 139. Now this is the MRP. I didn't buy this kit at such a high price. I think within 5 to 600 I got this product. Now I will provide the link down below. If you want to check it out, you can definitely check it out. The packet is not at all in a good condition, as you can see. Now inside this kit you are going to get 4 products. You are going to get one cleanser, one face cream, one face mask and face scrub. Definitely if you watch this full video, you can see all the products together, and you can definitely see how the products actually perform on my skin. At first I am just steaming my face with little bit of lukewarm water. It is really good, you should do it. And then I will be using the cleanser to just clean my face, and while cleaning up my face I am doing little bit massaging also. So guys, now I am wiping up my face and my face is looking very clear and smooth. Now I will be using the Oriflame face scrub, and this is how it looks. Now scrubbing is really very important, but you should be gentle with yourself while you are scrubbing. You shouldn't be harsh at all. It is going to take away all the dead skins from your face and you're going to look fresh. Now I will be using their face cream, and this comes in a very cute dabba, and this is how it looks. It is very thick in consistency, as you can see. Now you have to massage your face very nicely, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Then just wipe your face with a clean towel. Then I will be applying the face mask. Now the consistency is just butter like, very soft, very smooth. You have to apply this and keep it at least for 20 minutes. You can apply this face mask under your eyes also, because it is not going to dry up. Kept this mask for 20 minutes. Now I am just wiping it off. You can see my skin is looking so healthy and glowy. So guys, this is how my skin is looking right now. It is having a very healthy glow and my skin is feeling so soft. So guys, that was it. If you have liked this video and if you have found this video interesting, please do let me know. Please leave a comment behind. You can join me on Instagram too. I post different sorts of video over there. I will be leaving all the links in the description box. You can definitely check it out for yourself. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care. Bye bye.